You have 5 seconds to remember the location of the hidden items. Where is the Domino's? Where is the Taco Bell? Where is the Pizza Hut? Please like the video if you get first 3 answers correct. Where is the Burger King's? Where is the McDonald's? What is missing? If you remember, write in the comments and I will like it.